You do
a little more research.
You did what?
I finally figured out what Zach looks like.
What Zach looks like?
Yes.
Well, you look at him every day. What's that supposed to mean?
Well, the other day he had on a toe bug and all sticking up.
Yeah.
And it finally came to me.
Yeah.
He looks like one of the 7 dwarfs, but bigger.
Oh, big 7 dwarf.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just gotta figure out which one. Probably Dopey or somebody. What? Oh goodness.
What? What is that?
That's pretty awesome.
What? Nate Dogg Erotics.
Erotics? Exotic.
What kind of?
What is erotics?
What kind of? What are you doing there? Like, are you?
I'm gonna grab me some headlights.
Nate Dogg Erotics. Listen.
Huh?
Did you? I knew you were coming with a new business, but you didn't get that approved.
I didn't?
I
thought you said anything goes.
I didn't say that.
Do you have any midgets that could come audition?
No. We're going to have to take that business down.
Why?
Because
there's nothing illegal going on around here.
that mustache is illegal.
No?
That caterpillar you got's illegal.
What caterpillar?
That thing across your top lip.
That's my 70s whisker tickler.
Why don't you be like the employee of the month?
Who's that?
Tyler. I mean, he just works. He don't, he don't goof off like you do. I mean, how many times have I caught you up front today?
Working.
Walking slowly back and forth. Are you trying to get your exercise in for 2021?
Yeah.
Are you on a plan?
Huh?
Are you on an exercise plan?
Yeah.
Well, you need to quit exercising that and start exercising them hands.
Why? These are magic hands.
Yeah, that's good to see from your sign. Biggie Smiles.
Look, see, you saw the camera come out. He already tried to hog it up.
Yeah,
It's the freaking new guy, man.
I'm new.
Biggie Smiles.
Smalls, aka Dan. aka Dan, you know.
AK's Dan. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
We gotta match the color. We gotta match the color to the car over there. You take the camera, you push on a car, and then it come out with color. And you take the color and you mix it and you put it on the car.
Yeah. He's coming this way.
Why are you so tense?
Hey, you mentioned this a few weeks ago off camera, but 2021's around the corner. Is the dojo opening back up?
Let me answer this real quick. This is Josh's last video. It'll be the first one of 2021. But yes, the dojo is going to open back up.
Why did you have to throw that first statement in there? I mean, that wasn't even. You're like a politician. You get a question answered, and you just answer what you want to. Ooh, Daytona
A
Coupe.
nice one.
Daytona Coupe.
A nice. Last time I sat in it, I might have messed my britches. I gotta say sorry to the owner. I gotta have to get your upholstery cleaned.
Where's your buddy at?
Which one?
You know, the one that's not here.
Well, he fell off a roof.
Not here.
Not here, no. He fell off a flat roof.
He didn't fall off no flat roof.
What's the pitch on that roof?
Who knows? It's a regular roof on a house.
On a flat house.
Well, and he hurt his. What'd he hurt?
His discus
Medulla oblongata.
penis.
You can't say that, man.
Why? That is a very technical
Listen,
term.
It is a technical term. You got that right. It's a medical term. But there I go, checking that box again. Not kid friendly.
Oh.
What did you say?
Penis.
He blew his finger out.
Hey, something about an L7 and a
Yeah, I don't know.
LS1 and
He
something like that.
fell off the roof, landed on his pump and blew a hole out in his penis. And then, so now he just runs around saying, "Hold my nuts."
I can't put none of this on camera. I don't even know why I filmed you.
Just see what the employee of the month's doing.
How can you still be employee of the month?
Well, he just got ranked top one out of top 100. He's number 1 for 2020.
Dang.
He's number 1 for 2020.
No comment?
I mean, he didn't ask for it.
I didn't. I just showed up one day.
Yeah, that's because you're the only one that showed up.
Well,
We all didn't get the memo.
He,
of what, coming to work during the week?
I don't think he's missed a day in 3.5 years.
You're just a big kiss ass.
He's Nate. He's wrong. He's wrong because he's got a new business. Have you seen a sign on the front door?
I mean, I kind of saw it while you were talking about it.
And he ain't got no employees yet.
What kind of sick individual comes to work every day?
A non-sick individual.
Yeah, one that doesn't get sick.
Mental health.
That's what Saturdays and Sundays are for.
That
He
don't work
still
when
comes to work.
And half day on Friday.
It don't work when you're
I mean, heck, you got 2.5 days off a week.
He still comes to work.
yeah, when you're here Saturday and Sunday working on your own stuff, it kind of.
Well, that's by choice.
Again.
You had to have it towed
We
back.
gonna go over there.
That second zip tie broke. Something said.
Hercules, Hercules, Hercules. Oh, that's my boy. Sure. Oh, strip of man.
Hey, what was that
Strip
pain?
of man.
What was that pain you felt when you got out of the shower?
Oh, that pain, boy. I tell you, one time I was in the entertainment when I showered. Oh, good Lord. I had the hardest pain in my chest. Right down in my lower back. But I was like, oh, Lord, I'm having a heart attack. I looked down, and I had stepped on my own daggone titty. Right on my titty.
Nate Dogg, what's the last porno flick you watched?
I got barbecue and barbecue and barbecue. But it involved midgets. Well, how'd he get his woman if he didn't? Does he not know how to talk sweet?
I don't know how you got her, but we're talking about Bifos, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to ask her that information because I don't even know how I got her.
She obviously is blind, or legally blind. She can't smell, and
She read Braille.
really, really, really low standards.
That's a little mean.
He says she blind, she can't smell, and she got really low standards.
Yeah, we might have to edit this out.
Oh, he said he didn't care what we talked about as long as it wasn't his dog, and I didn't say nothing about his dog.
Whose dog?
His dog.
Oh.
Because he's like, that's the only thing I care about.
So we can talk about Dale Earnhardt.
He don't care nothing about Dale Earnhardt crashing into the wall.
No
Okay.
more. He about cried the first time he brought
Yeah,
it
the
up.
first joke.
He got
was-
used to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That don't hurt my feelings no more.
What is this? Pick on Vince Day?
Yeah, you're not in
Normal
proper
rock tire.
personal.
I went to the doctor this morning.
What'd they say? Country doctor.
Let me borrow that for a
They
second.
stick the finger in the butt.
No, that didn't happen.
Two fingers.
So, what do you have to say about his outfit this morning, this afternoon?
I didn't really say nothing.
No?
I just said, why ain't you pretty?
I told him I dressed up for him.
What do you say about it?
I'm still waiting on my biscuits and gravy.
He said my shirt looks like a tablecloth.
Time to unveil the. Look, he done got the button up, collared shirt,
That's fresh off the
got the daggone
press. Look at that
gray short, and look, boy, I got the boat shoes on.
damn crease in them will cut you when you
For
get
real
in there.
now.
Look at
I
Hey, boy,
wouldn't.
that thing's straight off the shelf at Tractor Supply. It is. I ain't kidding you. To your face now. Something looks different. You done shaved it off again? You didn't shave it all the way off. You got you one of them shavers that just does the scruff look, huh? Did you get your hair cut too? What else did you do? Put contacts in? Brush your teeth? Oh, that's it. You brush your teeth.
I'll leave a little fuzz because if I shave it smooth, then it'll look like a little pedophile. Like I should get an ice cream truck and a white van.